Welcome back to Design Furniture, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Today, we're diving into the world of modern bedroom design ideas for 2024. As we embrace the latest trends and innovations, we'll explore how to create a bedroom space that's not only stylish but also functional and conducive to relaxation. Whether you're a minimalist enthusiast, a lover of bold colors, or someone who adores cozy vibes, we've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of modern elegance. Let's get started. Minimalist bedroom. Let's start with minimalism. Simplify your bedroom by decluttering and embracing clean lines. Opt for a neutral color palette to create a serene atmosphere, adding subtle accents for personality. Smart bedroom features. Next, integrate smart features. From automated lighting and temperature control to voice-activated devices, make your bedroom a hub of convenience and modern technology. Cozy reading nook. Everyone needs a cozy corner for relaxation. Create a reading nook with a comfortable chair, soft textiles, and a well-stocked bookshelf. It's the perfect escape within your own home. Natural elements. Bring nature indoors. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and plants to add warmth and tranquility to your bedroom. Embrace textures and earthy tones for a soothing ambience. Statement lighting. Finally, illuminate your space with statement lighting. Explore unique fixtures that serve as both functional and decorative elements, adding a touch of elegance and personality to your bedroom. By combining minimalist aesthetics, smart technology, cozy comforts, natural elements, and striking lighting, you can create a modern bedroom that's not only stylish but also conducive to relaxation and rejuvenation. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your space into the ultimate sanctuary. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement content. Until next time, happy decorating!